Are you serious? Cut it out.
Ray, you've realized, right? I set a trap for 3 people. I told Dawn it was behind my bed, and Gilda was told it was in the second floor bathroom ceiling. At least, that's what I told you. But I actually told Dawn the dining hall, and I told Gilda the library. The rope behind my bed ended up being gone. So what about the other 2 spots? Should we go over and check them out?
Oh man, here I thought I was doing so well. Yeah, you're right. I'm the one who's been spying for Mom. So, what gave it away?
It was when Sister first came to the house. I was disgusted. My own friend. It was really the worst case scenario. I wish that I could know about it. Because you being a traitor would be quite problematic for us. For me, community obvious to us. You would be able to provide input to our plans, which would be perfect for keeping control of the situation. You were the best one for the job.
Can't get anything past you. How embarrassing. I walked right into your little trap.
There's one more thing. You see, I have a feeling this isn't the first time you've done this. If one of us suddenly started giving Mom tips, I doubt she'd be so trusting. Just how long you Mom's spy?
Well, no. I remember when I wasn't her spy. Guess you could say that I'm a sheepdog for a shepherd.
You knew about all this and helped Mom out anyway?
Yeah.
Everything we talked about, all the planning, it was nothing but a series of lies? How much have you been telling Mom? No, I want you to stay close, like you always have been.
Game over.
Isn't it great, Ray? You get to hide your mistake. You tried framing Dawn so you could keep spying on us, correct?
Just tell me what you want.
3 things. 1, you will continue to stay with us and promise to guarantee our safety. 2, you'll use all the information. 3, flip to our side and become a spy for our team instead.
You're gonna use me as your trump card? Are you an idiot? If that was your objective, then you should have kept quiet and used me. And when it was time to execute the plan, you could have cast me aside. It would have been easy.
You're right about that, but... She reminded me of her family, so... That's what made me change my mind. I want to believe in you too. We're friends before enemies, right? After all, aren't you the one who hid Little Bunny? The night we went to the gate, if you hadn't told us we could make it in time, we wouldn't have gone. You laid out the breadcrumbs for us to find out the truth about this house for ourselves. You set this up for the 3 of us to escape, didn't you? Why did you become Mom's sheepdog?
Why not?
If you were completely on Mom's side, then it wouldn't make sense to reveal the truth to us. You've been controlling our actions, about the trackers, the timing of our escape, and how quickly the plan moves forward. That's why you didn't want us leaving 10 days from now. But at the same time, you were also keeping Mom under control. You're actually not our enemy, are you?
You still think that, huh? I volunteered. I guess it's more like I sold myself, really. And all of it was to prepare for the escape we're planning. If you're going to learn more about the enemy, it's best to do so from the inside, which is why I ended up offering a deal to Mom.
That's risky.
Not really. I'm one of the finest products she's raised here. She's cared a lot for me. She wouldn't throw me away. That's how I saw it. She's someone who cares more about profit than rules. I made sure to ask for 2 things. First was not to be shipped out if I cooperated. The second was rewards in exchange for results.
What kind of rewards?
Various junk. If it isn't in the house, she secures it for me. My reason for doing it was to check what I could and couldn't get, but also to research the outside. Turns out, as long as it was safe, she could get me lots of things. But everything she brings back is dated.
So then, when you said you had an idea for breaking the trackers...
I've seen a real device. I did testing. It took me a few years, but I figured it out. It is possible to break tracking devices. You get it? Norman, I'm the strongest card you'll ever have. No one else compares. And I don't just have info about the tracking devices in Mom. You can't even begin to imagine how much I've learned over the years. From the moment that I discovered the truth, I started preparing.
Ray.
I had you and Emma go to the gate without having anyone notice. All of this, just to make sure you both don't die! It's like you said, Norman. I'm not exactly your enemy, but I'm not your ally either. Let's make a deal. If you agree, I'll become your trump card. I'll tell you everything I know, and leave false info to Mom, if you do one thing.
What's that?
Trick Emma. We'll pretend we're taking everyone, then ditch them later. But we can take Dawn, and Gilda too.
Are you saying we should give up escaping with everyone?
Yes.
But the training helps them grow more than we expected. You even said that they had potential. You meant it, didn't you? Then all of us can...
Regardless, it doesn't change the fact that they're a huge burden.
You said you were going to help us, didn't you, Ray?
What I'm doing now is helping. You don't like it? Then you two can die here.
Then I thought you wanted me and Emma to stay alive.
Honestly, I'd rather you get shipped than die once we escape. So, do we have a deal?
Fine then.
Listen, if I find out you lied to me...
Don't worry, I'll keep my word.
Walked out looking like